Welcome traders to analysis of silver XAG USD. Thanks for joining me in this analysis. I posted my previous analysis, but lack of sound actually made it impossible to understand. So I'm recording this analysis once again. So if you stumble upon the previous one, please ignore it. And this is the latest one. Okay, so on monthly time frame, what we can see that market has created this M pattern, and that also means that there are a few levels which we can identify using our Fibonacci analysis. If we are not able to spot the M pattern, then this is the pattern we are looking at, and this completed right there at that level. So if that is the case, then we should be able to see where the market is going to go to. So if we draw Fibonacci on here from top to bottom, actually from all the way to this level, we can see that market has come to 38.2. And if you have been following my analysis last week, I mentioned that market could come into this 2624 and then start to go back down. Market got overstretched and it tested this previous um, structure level here as well, and now it is overstretched and we can look for a little short position, little correction towards the downside. However, there are a few things that we need to be aware of. 50% is where usually most of the manipulations or wick kind of behavior happens. Now we're looking at the monthly time frame, and the month has just started. There has been just 1 week, so it's quite possible that towards the end of the week, this candle becomes completely bearish and it comes down in this level of 24 or even lower than that. However, at the moment, if you're looking for a long position, then you must not buy right now, because we must always buy low and sell high. So let the market come down to at least this level of 38.2, which is 2624, near about that level. And once the market is there, and if you get a good confirmation to go long, then you should go long from there. And your profit target is going to be somewhere around 32. Before that, you can also look at this 50% as your profit target, near about 31 can be profit target. At the moment, it is falling down because of this 30 round number, psychological number, and market usually comes back to that level to retest it. So if I come here and do this. Okay, now it is quite possible that market may come down and then start to move towards the 30 and then go above to 31 level before it goes down further. So if you're looking for a long opportunity, you should wait for a retracement. If you're looking for a short opportunity, then you can have a short opportunity almost right now, but remember, there is a bullish case as well. So if you go for a short position, you must not go for extended profit targets as of now until you see a retest or double top or divergence kind of setup. So that's possible. If I go to the weekly time frame, this is looking overextended once again, and next week we can see little movement upwards, but I'm expecting market to move down to this level. We also have weakness around here. There is weakness around here, and we also have, if we bring in RSI, we will have divergence setup. So not sure why this is not working. Okay, let me just try it again. If I bring in RSI, we can see that market has not created a new high on RSI, but the price has, and that's why the weakness has started to come along with other factors such as 3830 price level. So it can come down to 30.82 Fibonacci level, which is 2624, and if it does, and if you find good opportunity to go long, you can do that. But again, I won't take it for a long period of time, because it can come back to this level at 30 to retest that round number before going down. And the reason behind that is, again, going back to monthly time frame, is that this is a major Fibonacci level 38.2, and until it shows a reaction to that, to the downside, we cannot actually go for a long trade. So it needs to have some kind of reaction. So far we haven't found any kind of reaction, but the month has not finished, as I mentioned before. When you go for a short position, either from here or from the retest, you can look for these levels of 22 or 20 level for profit targets. These are the Fibonacci levels right there, and you can also look for this level which is there, and that confluences nicely with Fibonacci level and the structure level. So that's what I'm going to be look for. looking for. So, and to concise everything, to revise everything, if I get an opportunity to go long from this level, I will go, but I will not take a extended profit target. If this level is broken at 38.2, either here or once it comes back, and if I get an opportunity to get involved in short, I will do that, and I will take first profit here, second profit here, and after that it is expected to go higher. There is another thing that I just mentioned, that I just missed actually, is that market has come to a major Fibonacci level of 261.8. So that is also telling us that it is expected to go down. There will be a lot of selling pressure as well. So this is not a good place to actually buy for a longer period of time. So that's my analysis on silver. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found this useful. If you did, hit the like button, and in the comment section, let me know what you think about this analysis and what is your opinion on silver. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.